Good morning, my all dear class 12th A students. As in the previous video of this chapter, we have learned about the partnership, characteristics of partnership, etc. Today, we will discuss a very important topic of this chapter, partnership account fundamentals. A very important topic of this chapter, partnership deed. Partnership deed. As as I have already told you that since partnership is the outcome of an agreement, partnership is outcome of an agreement, so it is essential that there must be some terms and conditions agreed upon by all the partners. Such terms and conditions may be either oral or written. It means partnership deed may be oral or written. Okay, it may be oral or written. The law does not make a compulsory to have a written agreement. It is not compulsory that there must be a written agreement, but in order to avoid all misunderstanding and dispute, it is always the best course to have a written agreement. So in very short, I will tell you the meaning of partnership. That partnership deed is a written document or agreement, written or oral document or agreement between the partners in which all the terms and conditions of partnership and all the information about the partner and firm is given. Okay, so partnership deed, it is also called article of partnership. It is also called, जैसे in company we know that MOA, memorandum of association, and article of association. So this is also a type of article of partnership. In it, what will be the mention? So these things will be mentioned in it. First of all, name and address of the firm. What is the name of the firm and where the office is located? What is the complete address? It will be mentioned in the partnership deed. Name and address of all the partners. In partnership deed, the name and address of all the partners will be mentioned. If any new partner comes or old partner retires from the firm, it will be adjusted. The type and nature of the business. What type of business, what type of work will the firm do? It will be mentioned in the partnership deed. Amount of capital to be contributed by each partner and whether the capital account will be fixed or floating. In it, this will also be discussed that what amount of partnership, what amount of capital all the partners will bring. Then interest on capital, the treatment of interest on capital and interest on drawing will also be mentioned. The terms and conditions related to that will be mentioned in partnership deed. Profit sharing ratio. A firm gets profit of 150 rupees, how will it be distributed among the partners? There should be an ratio. So that ratio will be discussed in partnership deed. If there is no partnership deed, it will be discussed, it will be distributed equally among all the partners. Salary, whether any partner will be paid salary for the work done by him, if so, how much. It means all the types of detail of salary of the partner, only of the partner, not of the employee. Salary of the partner will be mentioned. Goodwill, method of valuation of goodwill in case of admission, retirement, it will be mentioned. Okay, according to the period of the firm, means half yearly, final account will be prepared half yearly, annually. Okay, this will be mentioned in it. Method of recording of firm and accounts, it will be mentioned in auditing, whether the firm book will be audited or not. If so, if it will be audited, what will be the name of auditor and how the auditors will be appointed. Date of commencement of partnership, from when the partnership is started. Okay, so these things will be mentioned in it. Okay, so this was a very important part of this chapter. From the upcoming chapter, we will discuss from the upcoming videos, we will discuss the method of preparing the accounts and accounting statement, and then we will discuss some illustration, and this chapter will be completed. So till then, it's my humble request to you all to keep learning, keep studying, and if you find any doubt in any query, you can ask. Our school will always there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye students.